Christmas season has started. Goa, we celebrate all festivals. Our Joggers Park has become an event place sort of. As you know, we had celebrated Holi in a very big way for the first time, and we'll do it next time around. It was a super success. We recently had the Dandiya and Garba dance here. We had people coming and descending from all over Goa. We have had several events similarly. We had a Christmas party last year. And on the 19th of December, I want to inform you in advance, as we have the flag hoisting just behind on the parade grounds behind this Joggers Park, we will be having as usual for the third time the vintage and classic car rally. It is going to be a classic event this time around. And not to forget that we are also going to have a special Christmas party for the children like last time, better than last time in fact. Last time itself it was a great success. So what it shows, this has become an event place. The cake mixing ceremony which you have just witnessed, all of us have partaken in that, symbolizing the start of the Christmas season, getting everybody in Christmas spirit. That is what I want to happen not only in Joggers Park, not only from people from my constituency. I want this spirit to go all over Goa and perhaps all over the country. Christmas is one celebration of the birth of Jesus Christ. And what does it signify? His birth, his lifetime as a preacher, as the one of the biggest religions in the world, Christianity. What does it show? Only love. And he showed what is sacrifice. He showed what it is to love one another. His dictate is very simple. What does it say? Love your neighbor. Love one another. And everything. And you have to do that, you have to have a forgiving nature. Goa is a God-blessed place where everybody lives in utter communal harmony. Everybody lives in peace. The most loving people in our country are from Goa. Today, it is complemented by people who have come from elsewhere, made Goa their home, and why not? We as Bharat are one great country. We, India, are a progressive country which is looked upon for leadership, thanks to Shri Narendra Modi ji, by the entire world. So as against that, we are here ushering a Christmas spirit, a Christmas season. I want all of you to partake in that. Learn to be extra nice to each other. It will not cost you anything. A good smile, something good to talk about, and whatever the bad things that are there in the mind, just throw it out of the window, and you will find yourself a better person, others around you loving you more, and you loving others as well. I thank Sadhana for especially helping us in this cake mixing event. I thank Sarvesh Bandodkar for also having and making it happen here, because he loves when you talk of events, and I was happy when he readily agreed. And also I would thank Ashwarya for coordinating all this along with Saishwari and Marida and all others who are present here. It shows that we are always wanting something nice to happen in Dabolin, which is a very good thing. I thank each one of you present here. Maybe I have forgotten some names. Please forgive me for that. Tulip, Savio, I also would like to thank Savio for helping us, and all the other staff of Bogmalo Beach Resort who assisted us and who are still assisting us. Thank you very much. Everyone partaking, everyone participating, giving a helping hand makes it even more wonderful. Once again, I wish all of you very best in advance. Season's greeting, I would call it. Think it as Christmas is already round the corner. Continue being good, and we will again meet with a much joyful atmosphere during Christmas time for the Christmas party. Thank you very much indeed. to know what will happen to the mixing they have done. Don't worry, it's not going anywhere. We will be right now, all the particular ingredients, including all dry fruits, everything is being soaked. It will be so mixed and with other things it will be preserved, and it will help to make one beautiful Christmas cake, which when we have the Christmas party here in Joggers Park, all the people present here, they will get a piece of the cake. So don't worry. That is what we intend to do. We are not carrying the cake anywhere. It is for the people themselves. Okay? Yeah. And I would like to thank Sadhna once again for that.
Anytime.